So in this lecture I'm going to show you how to assign VLANs to switch ports. So what I've got here, I've got an example where there's 4 VLANs. VLAN 9 is employee VLAN, VLAN 10 is for guests, VLAN 11 is for servers, and VLAN 12 is for wireless access points. So I'm going to start with assigning range of addresses. In this case, VLAN 9 is going to have 16 employee desktops, so I'm going to assign it range 0, 1 through 16, and the guests will have 17 through 22. Server will have port 23, and the wireless access point will have port 24. So I select switch 1, go to the command line, and start with configure terminal. At this point I'm going to start with interface, range, and then fast Ethernet 0, 1 through 16. So now I'm at the range command. I'm going to start with assigning them as access ports instead of trunks. So switch port mode access, and then switch port access VLAN 9. That's assigned. So what I can do is use the next one. I can go with interface. I'll just type int, then FA 0, and I'm going to go with 17 through 22. So until I want to configure those interfaces, I have to go interface range. And so I'm going to do the same thing, switch port mode access. And switch port access VLAN 10. So that's assigned to the guests now. And the next thing I'm going to do, I want to get out of this range command because I want to do individual ports. So I'll exit, go back up one level, then I'll type interface FA0/23. So this is going to be for the server. So I'm going to do the same thing. Switch port mode access. And I'm using up arrow because Cisco command line lets you do that instead of retyping everything. And this is going to be 11. According to my topology, it's 11. So that's done. And the next one, the last one, is interface 24. And that'll be switch port mode access for an access port. I'm going to assign it to 12, VLAN 12. So that's done. And that's really all there is to it. I'll go up here and I'm going to show run. And here, these are my VLANs, employee, guest, server, and wireless. And 0, 1 is assigned to VLAN 9. And 0, 2 is VLAN 9. And so it goes right through to 16. That's where I've assigned them. That's for the employee VLAN, VLAN 9. The next one is 17 through 22 is assigned to VLAN 10. So you can tell that's VLAN 10. They're the guests. That's the switch ports for the guests, VLAN 10. Then 23 is assigned to VLAN 11, and that's for the server. And 24 is for the wireless access point. And if I go here, show VLAN, brief, you can see how they're already assigned now. So there's the employee VLAN 9, it's active, and it's assigned to 1 through 16. So that's correct. And guest VLAN is 10, that's 17 through 22, so that's correct as well. Server VLAN's on 23 and wireless is on 24. So that's all correct, and you want to just make sure that it's assigned and showing as operational active by doing show VLAN brief or just show VLAN. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So they're all currently assigned, and the next lecture I'm going to show you how to set up a voice VLAN.